Hello children, now we are in the last portion of combustion and flame, that is flame and fuel. First, what is flame? Flame is a zone of combustion of combustible substance. Substances which vaporize during burning produces flame, for example kerosene, candle wax, etc. Substances which do not vaporize during burning do not produce flames, for example charcoal, coal. Let us see the flame of a candle. See, near the wick, it is the inner zone, blackish in color. It, it is unburnt wax vapor here, so it is the least hot because even combustion, little combustion take place. The middle zone, yellowish or luminous zone, partial combustion here, so it is the moderate one. And the outermost zone, which is bluish, non-luminous zone, complete combustion, and it is the hottest part. Now, because question from the zone are being asked, so let us know zones in detail. We can categorize the zones of candle flame into three categories. Outermost zone, in which complete combustion takes place and the color of the flame is bluish. It is the hottest part of the flame. It is the non-luminous part of the flame. Then the second is middle zone, where the partial combustion of the fuel takes place and the color of the flame is yellow, and it is moderately hot part of the flame. It is the luminous part of the flame. And the third, inner zone, where unburnt vapors of the fuel and the color of flame is black, and it is the least hot part. Now, see what are the fuels. So, types of fuels. Fuels can be classified into three categories: solid fuels, liquid fuels, and gaseous fuels. Example of solid fuels available in our surroundings: wood, coal, charcoal. Liquid fuel, kerosene, petrol, diesel. Gaseous fuel, we can say LPG, CNG, biogas, hydrogen. Now, which kind of fuel we should use, or what is the good fuel or ideal fuel? A fuel is considered good or ideal or valuable if it has low ignition temperature. We have studied earlier what is ignition temperature, that is the minimum temperature at which a substance burns. So the ideal fuel must have low ignition temperature, and it produces a large quantity of heat. Its calorific value should be high. Also, ideal fuel should be easy to store, easy to handle, doesn't leave any unburnt part or ash after burning. It should burn easily. Also, the fuel should be cheaper, easily available, and do not produce harmful odor. Transportation should be easy so that it can be transported from one place to another place very easily, and the combustion can be controlled. Like in our domestic fuel, we can't use the nuclear energy. The main characteristic of good fuel are here: point wise, easily available, cheaper, easy to store and transport, burns at moderate rate, produces a large amount of heat, doesn't leave behind any undesirable substance, doesn't cause pollution, high calorific value, and low ignition temperature. Here one new term came, that is calorific value. So let us know the calorific value. calorific value of the fuel is the amount of heat energy produced on complete combustion of 1 kg of fuel. If we take 1 kg fuel and burn it and measure how much energy is produced, then that is called the calorific value of the fuel. So it is expressed in kilojoule per kg. Kg, kilojoule, kj per kg. Here in the tabular form, calorific value of some fuels are given. Just say, still in our country in the rural areas, dung cake is one of the major source of fuel. See, if 1 kilo cow dung cake is burnt, then 6,000 to 8,000 kilojoule energy is produced. While 1 kg of LPG is burnt, then 55,000 kilojoule. So that our government and nowadays, in place of cow dung cake, LPG cylinders are used, LPG is used. The hydrogen seeds calorific value is highest, but it is not used as a domestic fuel because we have to control the fuel also. Combustion should be controlled. Now, what are the effects of burning, especially the harmful effects? See, the fuel like wood, coal, petroleum releases unburnt carbon particles which cause respiratory disease like asthma. Incomplete combustion of fuel releases carbon monoxide gas, which is a very poisonous gas which can cause death. Burning of most fuel release carbon dioxide gas, which causes rise in the temperature of the atmosphere. This is called global warming. It causes melting of polar ice, rise in sea level, and flooding of coastal areas. Burning of coal and petroleum release oxides of sulfur and nitrogen which dissolve in rainwater and forms acid rain. It is harmful for crops, soil, and damages buildings. Now, some question based on fuel and flame is here listed. Note down these questions and write the answer of these questions. Thank you. Next, we will start the next chapter.